Professor Raymond is the Assistant Dean of Medicine in Singapore University, one of the most respected universities. He's a rheumatologist and he's a master trainer. I don't know how he doesn't sleep. He's an amazing man, just like the other presidents, and he just has a way of thinking out of the box and also very pragmatic, and he just has a way of getting along with people. He listens to everybody and then come up with the consensus good ideas. So you are going to hear Professor Raymond Lau addressing you. He would have loved to come, but not this time.
A very good day to all of you. Welcome to the 22nd Annual USA Tai Chi Workshop at Pacific University, Oregon. Today, I would like to welcome you to the workshop, and I also want to share briefly on becoming a AAA rated Tai Chi for Health instructor. So what are the 3 A's to become a good TCHI instructor? I would suggest that first we must have ability, then affability, and finally availability. So for ability, we can continue to learn how to teach Tai Chi for Health programs safely, effectively, and with fun, and obviously practice to improve our Tai Chi skills, and also our health will be something that is very useful as well. For affability, building relationships with our learners and fellow instructors by observing the principles of integrity, empathy, mindfulness, and openness can be what we are doing consistently, and also will help us really build this affability in us. And finally, which is also somewhat the most important, is availability. In other words, to make time for the above 2 A's of ability and affability. And in fact, I want to congratulate all of you for coming to this workshop, because the fact that you have come to the workshop to learn more about the various Tai Chi programs, you have improved your ability. And I'm sure for the next 4 to 5 days, you will be practicing a lot of Tai Chi and really become very good at it. And at this workshop, you also have chance to build relationships with your friends and even fellow learners, and certainly even training up your affability for sure. And you are actually making time for this workshop, and this is actually a very big commitment on your part, and therefore I congratulate you. So in a way, if we were to look at the yin-yang model, ability is like the yin of making ourselves better and storing up energy to do what is good. Affability is the yang of doing something good for the people around us and for our own self. And finally, we need to have availability to ensure that we are doing both ability and affability more and more in our lives. So with that, I want to congratulate all of you again, and I wish you a very successful and fun workshop. See you again soon. Bye-bye.